First, rinse the beef brisket and cut it into bite-sized chunks. Drop the pieces into cold water with scallion, ginger, and a splash of cooking wine to remove any gamey smell. Bring the pot to a boil, skim off the foam, then let the beef out and set it aside. Transfer the beef to a clay pot, add scallion, ginger, dried chili, bay leaves, star anise, dasafu, and a stick of cinnamon. Pour in 2 tablespoons of light soy and 1 tablespoon of dark soy. Add boiling water to cover, plus 1 can of beer. Cover and simmer for 1 hour. When the beef turns fork tender, stir in the potato chunks, cover again, and cook 15 minutes until the potatoes are soft. Sprinkle chopped scallions on top and bring the stew to the table while it's piping hot. That's it, potato and beef brisket stew in 5 easy steps. Like and subscribe for more real Chinese home cooking.